Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL One S 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. Let's stay here and move to this settings bar. Now we have to tap to the second from the left button. Here we get access to our aspect ratio. We are in 4:3. Let's move to 16:9, and as you can see the background has changed now to the longer one. Another tap to this button and we can pick also 1:1. This is the square one. And let's tap here once again and move to the last one, the full one. So we can see the full camera frame now. And of course, when we pick the second from the left button once again, you can go to whatever you need. Now let me move back to 4:3, the original one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.